Just like any Filipino citizen, lower house salons also have their own wish list, which they want to hear from the president during his State of the Nation address, or SONA. Some of the lawmakers, though, are not merely content with just hoping and will actually manifest what they want government to do through the clothes they wear. Again, Melalis Moras tells us more.
3 days before the third State of the Nation address of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., several Filipinos have shared what they want to hear from the most anticipated speech of the president.
Sana po yung sa pagtaas po ng sahod sa mga empleyado. Parang kulang pa kasi parang dito sa Pilipinas po kasi parang tumataas na po yung cost of living natin.
Yung pangbigay ng mga ng bigas or grocery, pera, kahit paano, dagdag naman ang pambili ng mga kailangan.
Every SONA, the chief executive usually reports on the achievements of his administration and delivers his future plans or new programs for the country. In a press conference today, the Center for Women's Resources also shared the issues that women want to be addressed in the President's SONA based on a survey they conducted in Metro Manila.
Yung una po, yung pag-create po ng trabaho at yung kabuhayan ng mga tao. Yung pangalawa po ay yung high prices. Yung mataas po na mga presyo ng bilihin at kahit hindi lang po bilihin to, maski po yung mga services at mga utilities at binabanggit actually yung sa mga na-interview namin, ang lagi nilang binabanggit ay yung presyo ng bigas.
Recently, a separate survey by Pulse Asia Research, which had 2,400 respondents from different parts of the country, yielded similar results. Among the things our countrymen want to hear in the president's speech include controlling inflation, wage increase, fighting poverty, creation of more jobs, and intensifying the fight against graft and corruption. If the lawmakers from the House of Representatives were to be asked, they are also eagerly awaiting President Marcos Jr.'s speech. According to House Speaker Martin Romualdez, from the SONA to the 2025 national budget, they are in full support of the administration.
Asahan niyo, Mr. President, that we shall continue supporting your visionary projects that continue to help every Filipino. We are very, very proud to be working under your leadership. I assure you, in the upcoming budget, all of these programs and projects of yours will be fully supported by your House of Representatives.
Meanwhile, other lawmakers have also given a glimpse of their SONA outfits. House Deputy Minority Leader Franz Castro will wear a terno with a design depicting a family sharing on a meal table, symbolizing her call for the welfare of Filipino workers. While for Gabriela Party List Representative Arlene Brosas, she will highlight the might and strength of women in her Filipiniana garb. Melalis Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.